What's up guys, Coach Jack here, back with another tutorial. This time I am doing a lunge or a unilateral squat. There are so many different forms of this movement, but essentially all it boils down to is being a unilateral version or a one-legged version of a squat. It's all the same mechanics or a lot of the same mechanics. So let's get started. Let's set up just like we would a squat. So just like we would a squat, we're going to start with the feet hip to shoulder width apart. Okay, a slight external rotation of the feet, meaning your toes are going to just slightly point out. Hips are right over your heels. Shoulders are right over your hips. So we're all in line. From here, whether you're doing a forward lunge, a backward lunge, whatever it is, you really want to try to maintain the distance between your feet. So let's just take a step back, okay, and get into position here. So if I step this foot back right behind my front foot, it's like walking on a tightrope, right? It's going to be a lot harder to balance. But if I keep my feet slightly apart, I'm going to have a lot wider and more stable base. So I always encourage you, whatever kind of lunge you're doing, forward, backward, really keep that distance between your feet for stability. Now, as we lower into the lunge, we really, again, we want to maintain this distance between our legs in alignment with our joints. So that front knee is staying right over this front foot, this front toe, so not falling in, not falling out. That's how we injure the knee, so we really want to avoid that knee falling in or out. Really in line, and the same with this back leg too, okay? So that's all in line too. We press up, and again, chest stays up nice and tall, whether you're holding the weights here or back here, whether you're moving, so stepping back and forward, or whether it's just a stationary lunge, you want to maintain all that alignment, okay? So the toes, knees, hips, shoulders, and gaze is all in alignment. As we lower down, slowly decelerate as we come down and then press up. You'll notice at my foot, I am really driving in through that front heel. The heel drives in, that's key. What happens often in a lunge is that the knee comes forward and then that front heel comes up. We do not want that. We want the heel driving in and we want those back toes up nice and high. So that back heel up nice and high, up high on those back toes. So again, we're lowering down, decelerating, heel drives in, press up to stand, lower, decelerate, and up. It's the same with any kind of lunge. So whether it's a reverse lunge, we're decelerating and then drive forward, decelerate, drive up. Or for a forward lunge, same thing. We're stepping, decelerating, and then powering up to start. Decelerate, power to start. Decelerate, and power. So give those few tips a try. And again, remember, alignment is key. If you experience knee pain, really take a look at your alignment. Make sure hips, knees, toes are all in line. That's going to help with any sort of pain you're experiencing around your knee. And like I said, give those tips a try. Good luck and see you next time.